I'm really excited about the installation that features in Parrtjima in 2023. We've got a thematic of listen with heart. And it's really about, I guess, where the nation is at the moment, that we're listening not only with heart, but we're absorbing a lot of knowledge, and that knowledge that comes from culture. Our feature installation is Listen with Heart. It is the artwork that sits around the statement of the heart. We're at a time in this country where we need to connect, bridge the divide, and listen to each other. I think the most important thing about Parrtjima 2023, it's a place of healing. It's a place of reconnecting for all of us to come together, to connect, but really hear the philosophy and the story of Uluru, the Jukrapa, and we all want to know that.